Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Okay, you guys, for this week's video, I'm really excited to film a video because today's the day where I'm going to film my first day of new semester, that is 4th sem. Let's see how the day went, and if you guys are excited for this video, so make sure to drop a thumbs up right now and subscribe to my channel because it's free. And without any further ado, let's get this video started.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy.
कंपनीज का शटडाउन हुई फैक्ट्री बंद हुई फैक्ट्री में किसने इन्वेस्ट किए थे कॉर्पोरेट्स दिस वाज द फेज ऑफ 1970s इट स्टिल कंटिन्यूज है ना अभी भी चल रही है सेलिंग कॉन्सेप्ट
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute.
तो डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स हैं, ठीक है, आपने वो इस चैप्टर में करने, ठीक है। गुडविल की वैल्यू हमने क्यों निकालनी है, क्योंकि एसेट साइड शो होता है और कंपनी की गुडविल की वजह से कंपनी के प्रॉफिट्स इंक्रीज होते हैं।
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. 유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 yeah, yeah, yeah. 네가 좋아하던 와인과 한결편안해지고 했어. 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서 좋은 꿈에 번지르랬어. 요즘 새벽에는 소음이 늘었어. 왜냐면 너의 색다른 blue 새벽에 떨어져 버린 blue 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can see the last night.
Okay guys, so I finally made it back to the home and I'm so tired right now, and we had a lot of fun there. So I'm gonna go and cook some food and have that, and then I'm gonna go for a sleep and see you guys later then. Okay?
Smiley, smiley, little boy, jumping puppy, puppy word. Well, like a fairy tale comes
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에.
그대 잠깐 눈을 부질 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. 그대 차가운 몸을 녹일 때 나는 초콜릿을 녹여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. When joy comes to mind, it will light up your heart. And to love you and the stars out to find, out to find. Talk to you and thinking I walked you and run to your depths. Talk to you and thinking I walked you and run to your dancing.